Might not work yet. Put it on the big screen.
I'm gonna check it out right now.
Oh, I think I gotta click live. Okay, I just click live. So, let me see. Is it working now? My YouTube thing is slow AF. I hate this. Let me check real quick. Yeah, my YouTube's like hella slow right now. I'm gonna close my Spotify. How is the audio coming in for you guys? Is it showing? Can you talk real quick so I can check OBS?
Yo, what up? Testing.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna turn you down just a
Okay,
little bit. Just like a cunt here. Alright, so what's going on? You wanna give an introduction, Trippy? I got Trippy on today, guys. Did you do your thing already?
Yeah.
Did you do your little
Yeah.
thing? So you can do the solid DD? Or what's going
Oh
on?
yeah, you want to do that right now?
I mean, go ahead and handle that so you feeling good, you know? I mean, or did just go ahead and do it in the background though.
All right.
Only
Yeah,
thing
what up?
that's
What up? We had a good show the other time,
yes,
and
that's what we brought you back. We get
yeah, they brought me back.
the
I'm trying
Trippy
to
segment.
I'm trying to wake up as many people as I can before it
Yeah,
goes down.
for real, stay woke.
Oh,
You gotta stay woke. Yeah, we're gonna talk about what are we? I can see yo Devon. What's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Is this one of your boys, Trippy? Donovan. He
well,
said
he's
he
a
can see.
brother. He's a brother for sure.
That's a brother, bro. Hey, smash that like button for us, man. We're trying to get people woke on some stuff, but honestly, I mean, we got a couple things lined up
We're
for
gonna talk
Trippy.
about the downfall of America and the whole world right now.
Right. But we do have a few tickers we want to watch too, though, right? Because we gotta make money while
Yeah, because
before
it
the
does
molasses.
involve the stock market as well.
Right. So if there's any tickers on here that you guys want me to cover, we got the unusual wells. We can kind of get an idea. We got earnings this week, so there's actually you can even include JD in this one. These are interesting ones. You see anything on here, Trippy, that sticks out to you? Um, Target lows maybe. You could
Yeah,
probably
usually they
they,
run.
they usually do good,
So
right?
be on the lookout for that.
Huh?
I'm saying we might see Target running, so be on the lookout for that.
I think so too. And we got Take Two. This is that gaming company, am I right? They own like Rockstar Games, and I don't
Yeah.
know how I feel about that one. I don't know.
Oh, I'm bearish on Cisco, by the way.
This one down here, bearish.
Yeah,
Ooh, we might need to look at the flow on that one.
yeah, because I know a lot of inside DD on Cisco actually, so
Swear, for real.
I'm bearish. Yep.
All right, we're gonna add that one to the list so we can. I wish I could throw some music on here, but it's gonna confuse stuff. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to throw some
Yeah,
beef,
yeah.
but then I get
Yeah.
demonetized too. So
Little baby.
little baby young, yeah, little pump. What you think about little pump? Is that still a thing or no? I'm getting old, man.
Who?
Little pump, Gucci Gang. I mean, I'm kind of old now, bro. So I'm kind of outdated. At
Oh,
least it's
he's
not
a.
me.
Yeah.
At least it's not me playing Plies. Remember Mojo was playing Plies? Come on, man. That man ain't rapped in a while. You remember that or not?
Yeah, Mojo and All Head.
So I think this is all the ones that are interesting, right? Thursday should be kind of boring. Got some. I think Coles is a buyout
Oh,
candidate.
yeah.
What do you think
That's
about that one, King?
Coles, yeah, maybe. For sure.
I for real
Uh,
want to do. Didn't I say Neo? Neo. I thought I saw Neo on here. Does Neo have earnings? I think I seen it. Or am I crazy right now? I thought I saw Neo on here, but
ooh, look, Paladin is right there. What do you think about Paladin?
where's that at? This one? Oh no, that.
Right under Walmart, like on that section.
Oh, this one? What do they do? I don't know what they do, honestly. I mean, maybe I'm trying to find Neo because I swear I saw it. I'm gonna show you. I went to the flow. I thought I saw it on earnings, but let me check. I don't know why it wouldn't make the earnings whisper. Let me see if I can get extras earnings. I thought I saw Neo on the. Maybe I'm not seeing it. You see Neo on here? It's not on here, but it was on. My computer's like hella slow right now. I probably should have done a restart. I left this whole run in last night, so these are some of the earnings that I saw. See right here, checked it out. It's Neo. Neo's right here, but it didn't make the list for some reason. That is on what, Thursday
Maybe
after
they're
close.
trying to hide the truth.
Yeah, let me check. I'm gonna check one of my brokers, see if they
All right.
label
You sure you don't want to do your
on my spill,
restart?
my research.
No, your
I mean,
restart on the computer.
should I do that? Is it slow on it? You mind checking it? We might have to restart this. Holy shit. So it doesn't show up here. Neo doesn't show up here. It shows up on unusual whales. And let's see. Does it say it on? Let me check. It looks like they just had earnings. That's kind of. Oh no, their earnings should be up. I think this is right. I think maybe they just didn't list it, I think. Should I restart the stream, you think? Is it lagging big time on?
I think it is a little bit laggy when I'm watching it right now.
Fuck. I just don't want to have to close up every. I'm gonna have to wrap up shop, restart it. Should we do that? You
Yeah,
think
we
it'd be
can.
worth? All right, let me wrap this.
Because on my end, I don't know. It's kind of like laggy a bit.
Damn. But you got that potato phone though, so I don't
No,
know.
I'm watching on the TV.
You watching? Well, I mean, you got that potato TV too though.
No, it's a good TV. 1K.
Is it for real? You swear?
Yep.
All right, let me pull up Neo stock earnings and no announcement, bro. I don't. The hell? Somebody's lying here. You know what I'm saying? Either Unusual Whales has it correct or
Maybe they're not listing Chinese companies right there.
yeah, that's kind of sus, huh? Little tinfoil hat there. What are you thinking?
Yeah, but I do see some Asian
Asian
letters
stuff.
and
Well,
some
maybe there's
logo.
some favor. There's obviously money had to play a part in
Sohu's
this.
a food company, right?
Who?
On the left side.
Left side. Sundell?
No, far left. More
Far
left.
left.
Down,
Which
down.
one?
Sohu.
Oh yeah, that one. I don't know what's going on here. I don't think
Maybe
that one's gonna get delisted. That looks
that
like a
looks like
delisted.
the Japanese one.
Huh?
I
Hey,
think that looks
Hillbiz is that little short squeeze candidate, right? Did they ever get options? If they have options now, I might be interested in playing some earnings. That one's like squoze like so many times, no? Mojo would know better about this one though,
They
honestly.
love that one. Mojo loves
Yeah.
it too, I think.
He bought on the high though, I think.
Are you modeling Mojo?
Let me see, is he not on here? He's just listening though, he's peeping it.
He's being a little Mojo.
Well, he's starting his girl's portfolio, so he's probably setting that up right now.
Oh yeah, don't forget to sign up with the affiliate link, okay?
Oh yeah. Should I plug that in now, you think? Let me slide that over to the other
Mojo,
side.
giving Gigi some bread?
I think he tried, but it didn't work. But I'm gonna plug it in regardless.
Retards onto this shit, bro. Don't act like I'm brand new. I put you onto Wills, bro. Like you tell me to use the affiliate link. When I told GG about that shit, he didn't use my fucking affiliate link. Right? Yeah. Right. Fuckers.
Where's the should I post it or not, Trippy? Which gonna be the first position on the girls' new portfolio from Mojo LLC, Mojo Management?
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop giving you ungrateful fuckers my DD, bro, and y'all just do your thing, cause y'all professionals, man. You don't need me.
Oh, we
You
like
don't
you in
need.
here, Mojo.
Oh no, bro. Oh no, dude. I apparently I don't know how to play options. Going to Trippy, and I don't know. I
Trippy be
suck,
trolling,
dude.
bro. Relax. It's good. We all good in
Apparently
here.
I be buying all the highs, bro. You know, and shit, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't know, guys. I don't know.
Well, we're just trolling here, bro. Chill. So, what's the first position for the Mojo LLC for your girl's account? Your kid's mom's account.
Well,
Now,
man,
honestly,
I
I
don't
might.
know.
Come on, Mojo, chill, Mojo.
We're
I'm
just
still
having a
your
good
guy.
time, bro. We're trying to keep
I'm
the
just
live stream live, you know?
to learn about what y'all got, so I can,
You
make
can make
money
some
now.
plays. Yeah.
Okay, bro.
He's got oil on his mind this week and gold, right?
Yep.
No,
I think I think I need to restart the stream and change some of the tags, bro. We can get
Yeah,
some more
delete this
paint.
shit because Mojo fucked it up.
I ruined it, bro, because you want to clown me, bro. When I've been telling you about whales for months and months and months and months and months, and then you finally listen to me, and it's like, bro, make sure Mojo gets the affiliate link. Like, oh fuck, yeah, man, listen here, bro.
Bro,
Yeah.
we've been chilling right now. Why are you getting mad right
Nah,
now? You embarrassing everybody in the stream right now. I'm gonna have to cut this one off now.
Mojo, chill.
Earl, bro, you trying to clown me, bro? Like, oh, come on, man.
I
Just
was
chill out,
actually
man.
using the free one. I put you. I told you. You said I started it like recently or something. Then I showed you the evidence that I was been doing even the free version like a while
Oh,
ago.
so you don't ask me no questions then, right? Because you already know everything. Like
No,
you're
I don't know
clearly
everything.
no. Gee, every time I tell you something, a week later you try to tell me like it's brand new, like you're teaching me, like all to flex on your Discord. Like you want people to come and see, oh, this is a guy, he knows the stuff, because look, he's telling everybody. Like, oh, buy time, and oh, like you telling me what I told you is insulting to my intelligence. Right? You understand?
Yeah, but
But
then when you hold the spy calls and then you end up losing them, then you get mad at
oh,
me. And
hey, yo,
what do you
I'm gonna go
mean,
ahead and
dog?
leave. Y'all can have fun and enjoy your 3-person Discord. Oh, I'm sorry, 2-person Discord. All right, have a good one, though. Right.
Damn, why is he tripping, bro?
I don't know.
Is he leaving the whole Discord or what is he doing? Is he leaving the server? I mean, because if he wants to, that's fine. Like he says, "Oh, I'm getting my sub or something." I don't know why he's tripping.
Damn. Did he
It,
leave?
I think he left. Did he leave the entire thing?
Bro, he'll be back in a bit.
Oh, well, I think he's gone. It's all good. It's all good.
Damn. Oh well.
Hey, we got you stepping up right now though.
Yeah, I'm gonna carry the whole show right now.
Well, we gotta restart it anyway because my stream is lagging, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we just got a bump up in views though. So you got the AMD DD or what? Or the AMC DD?
I could talk about the wheat, DD.
The weed? I
Yeah.
thought you finished that already.
Huh?
I thought you finished that already.
Uh, nah, we didn't go live yet.
Bro, we've been live.
No, I thought I didn't talk about the wheat DD yet though.
I thought you did.
Oh.
Hey, for real,
Hey,
Mojo dipped. Hey,
yeah,
he's probably having a bad day, bro. He's having a bad day. I mean, we all have
bro,
those bad days.
he's sad because his Luna is down right now.
We're all down on Luna now, bro. Even I'm down on it. Actually, he's probably still up because he got in way ahead. Yo,
Yeah,
he's
all
straight
right.
up dipped though.
Let's get to the DD then. We're gonna carry on the show or what?
Yeah, but don't we need to restart or did the stream get fixed?
Let me check.
All right, let's like rerun this. Start from the beginning. Go ahead and give your introduction. What you got? What's going on, y'all? Who's watching? Is everybody watching? Hey, Ella said drama. Do we have drama in here? Nah, Mojo's just had a bad day today, man. I don't know what it is. He has his moods. We
Yeah, he a bitch.
Nah, I'm not gonna say that. It's just he has those mood swings where it's hard to control. So I just try to avoid it sometimes. Oh
True.
shit, I think he unfollowed me too. He blocked me, bro. He's hella steaming now. Let me see if I can find something I mentioned. Yeah, he's mad.
No, he
Yeah,
hates
no,
you.
huh?
He hates you.
Maybe, I don't know. I think he blocked me, maybe. He's hella steaming. Hey, we're gonna worry about that later though. What do y'all want to do for the live stream?
I got the DD. Everybody needs to prepare because this summer the lights are going out.
Yeah,
Okay.
LS said losing money is not fun. No, it's not. And it puts you in like a bad mood, you know? It makes you feel bad. Kind of. I've been in those moods too, you know?
Yep, yep, yep. The U.S. power grid is falling apart. Everybody, be careful. Okay.
Damn, I can't believe Mojo for real steamed. I think what it is like when you're like when you're just like going through something, like you know you attack people, you know? Because we were just joking. I mean, I don't take anything to heart, you know, and
Yeah,
so I feel like
I, I thought,
I
I
feel
thought
like
our
he can
conversation was
he,
friendly.
yeah, well
No, good.
like he'll joke on us, and so it's like why can't I joke either, you know? So it can't be one way side, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, he left, bro. Mojo dipped. I just
No.
updated. Yeah, it's whatever, man. Hey, he said, LS said, if you don't mind, look at the SoFi short squeeze potential again. We talked about it Thursday night, had that 20% jump. Do you have any updates on SoFi? Hey, bro,
um.
you know what's crazy? Mojo and I were just talking about he wanted to do a YouTube channel with me, or he wanted to do a YouTube channel. I'm like, man, like with that temper, it's hard, you know, to work with Mojo sometimes.
Yeah.
So
I wasn't. I was bearish on SoFi until I tuned into the live. So
yeah, and
I'm
actually,
gonna let G talk about the SoFi DD because I also believe it is a short squeeze play on the option side and on the shares side.
you think
Because
so?
I don't think it's at the bottom yet, but I think we could be bouncing up soon.
The short interest is going up. Yo, I can't
Yeah,
believe
short interest
I'm
is
still in
going up for
shock though, bro.
SoFi.
I'm
It
trying to
is also going up for AMC.
yeah, I'm trying to wrap my head around Mojo, man. He's for real steam, bro, and he cut me off on everything.
Fuck.
All over some all over some jokes.
Yep.
So I think LS was talking about it jumped 20%, which was crazy. And I watched one of the videos. I watched a video. Somebody was saying that there's a reverse split or reverse stock split. That reverse stock splits are usually like bad, right? Because they usually do them to like try to stay
Yeah, usually the stock goes down when that happens by
right.
crazy amount.
But the video that I was watching, it's from what Financial Journey. I think he was saying that the institutionals need to stay above $5 for them to still hold those positions. So I'm not exactly sure how that works, but that makes sense. And also, if they do that reverse split, usually, like I said, those are bad. And, like it's taken negatively, you know, by investors. But that would actually cut down on like the outstanding shares, wouldn't it? So if they do reverse split stocks, like let's just get an idea of their outstanding shares right now. Right here, the outstanding shares is like about 800 million. So let's just say that they were to do a 1-for-8, which would be the reverse split. So I don't think they'll do a 1-for-8, but if they're doing reverse splits, then they're taking shares off the market instead of putting more shares out there, right? Because when they do a stock split, they'll like do like, hey, you have one share, I'm gonna give you two for them, right? And then they're gonna drop the price down. For the reverse split, they're gonna do the opposite. So they're gonna like pick up more shares, and then there'll be less outstanding shares, and then they'll raise the price up. Is that right? If I understand that right? So like this outstanding float would come down, right? Which would be good for, I guess, short squeezes, no? Because the smaller the outstanding shares and float, then the less shares that are out there,
Yeah.
and the
You also gotta take a look at who owns the float as well.
who owns the float. That's something I don't know. We might need to go to Fintel for that. And I'm gonna pull that up right now, actually. Damn, my man LS, he dipped. He didn't want to hear it. Did your boy Devon leave, or what's he playing?
I think he's watching.
He's watching. He's probably the only other one watching. I wasn't sure about that SoFi went up 20%. So we're actually bullish now. If we can get back above what? Well, we were talking about we didn't really have any resistance up till 8. So the resistance is up at this level, in my opinion. Right? We got that retouch, some consolidation there.
Yeah.
But damn, I can't believe Mojo straight up just gassed and just that's crazy, bro. You think he'll be back? You think he's done?
I think he'll be back.
Nah, I think he's done, bro. Cause I think he took me off of Twitter for some reason.
Bro,
Yeah, I don't know.
invite
I
him
don't.
back.
Hey, LS said he's the only one watching.
Who?
I appreciate LS for showing up. Honestly, though. Let me see. Oh shit! Yeah, he blocked me on Twitter for some reason. That's crazy as F.
Um,
So with the reverse split though, wouldn't it like what I was saying, there'll be less shares available on the market because they're gonna give you like let's say for example they're gonna give you 1 share for like 5 of your shares. So that's gonna cut down all of the shares that are out there.
yeah.
So I think in that case it would be a good thing. What else was
What
what
was
else
the
was
all-time
that?
high for SoFi?
Yeah, I think it was like 20, wasn't it? 25.
Damn, yeah, this is a really good buy right here.
I wanna know. I wanna look at see
This
if
can
the
easily go back to 20, and if you have like 1,000 or 500 shares, you would make good money off it.
well I think if they do that reverse split, then it obviously be up above 20. But
You
I don't think the value would change. The stock price would
know when
change, but
you know when
you
this news comes out?
no, I just saw a video. I don't even know if this is actually true, to be honest.
Oh,
You just have to check out his video. I don't know where he saw the filing or anything or where he got the news from. That's what I'm actually trying to look up right now. I'm still trying to catch my breath from Mojo, bro. He just went full rampage. Ape.
damn. Yeah, Mojo went crazy.
Did he take you off or oh wait, you got so many burner accounts, bro. So is there any
Yeah.
stocks on here? I guess we didn't really cover SoFi for LS. Let me go back. We can cover it really quick. So you say you're long-term bullish. The only thing, like we said, I think we've talked about most of the stuff. Oh, LS says there's no split. Probably, I mean, if it can hold above 6 or 5, then I guess there wouldn't be any talks about doing that. I'm actually curious to see how the futures open today. What are you thinking about the futures? With the what's the news that came out for wheat? India stopped doing the.
I'm sorry. I think futures will open red.
You
I
think
feel like it's just gonna be another bloodbath again.
you think so?
Yeah.
The ones the ones that I'll be watching is probably gonna be. Let's just look at wheat's ETF, see where it's at. I haven't even tracked this honestly. Let's just move this trend line over here. I can't believe I don't know what happened with Mojo, bro. I'm still trying to. Can you realize that? Bro, I've been
Yeah.
nice to that dude for so long, bro. Like, I've been nice to that dude. Like, he's been like shitting on me this whole time and stuff, and I try to be bigger and I don't say all the stuff that I should say to him. And sometimes I do say stuff, but like there's much worse stuff that I could say to him, Like for the stuff that he said, like just throughout the whole time. But honestly, I felt bad for him, Like and this is stuff that I never really tell him and stuff because I feel bad for him. So like I always try to be someone good to him, and I mean just to treat me like that, it's whatever. It's not really my loss. It's more of his loss, right? Cause like every time, like I think he got kicked out of like Wall Street Bets or some shit or something, or somebody was attacking him, and I'm the first one up there to like try and defend that guy. So it is what it is. You know
Yeah.
that, right? I mean, you've seen it. I've always, put up for him, like, so for him to kind of just always belittle me
Damn, wheat
is
is gonna go up.
who is wheat?
Wheat.
Yeah,
Wow. Can you
but
buy
I mean,
wheat? Can you buy that? Can I buy that on my broker account?
yeah, yeah, you can buy it. Where's my stock
Where do you
stuff? Let me.
where do you think it'll go to?
I don't know. I was watching this video. I watched Josh from Josh Answers for and he says you have to buy it in cycles though. So like right now it's like high. Obviously, I think Monday is gonna pop. I think that would not be the time to buy because they'll probably like do this double top up here, and then it'll probably cool down a little bit, and then that's probably when you want to buy again. I don't think you would buy right away. Definitely don't buy on Monday because it's already gonna be up huge, and actually it's been up for some time now. Right, so it's been like this whole week or last week, it's already gone up about 10%. I mean, that's a lot for like an ETF. So this is the
Yeah, imagine you bought it in right in the beginning of the year though.
yeah. No, I've bought a few times and it just moves so slow that I never really profited off the wheat ETFs. That's why I'm a little sketch of actually adding this. Yo, Joe L showing up. What's poppin'? Yo, what's going on, man? What's going on with oil? Is commodities going crazy right now or what? What's the wheat news that we were talking about, Trippy? I got special guest Trippy on here, baby.
Yeah, the wheat news.
We got the wheat or
Yo,
the
I feel
weed.
everybody should be worried about this.
Yeah,
India
India.
India bans wheat exports for all nations because
Yeah,
they don't have enough for their own nation. So what that
yeah.
means, India,
Let me post that
they
up here so
were
people can see it.
the biggest wheat export for everybody.
Yeah.
And for
So
them to say, nah, we're not gonna do that anymore is a really big deal.
right. Second largest wheat producer bans exports. So the second biggest like producers of wheat, they're not letting people like they have the most wheat, right? They're the second biggest. And they're not gonna be exporting. That's telling you that, you know, I guess supply concerns, right? But they're struggling for themselves to like provide for
Yeah,
themselves.
but let's also look at the broader picture. What is going on in the West Coast and our western side of the United States? We have about 10 or so states that are going to go through the roughest droughts in American history.
Why
That
is that?
means that any types of crops like corn or anything, soy, we're going to have a struggle with that as well because there's going to be no water. There's going to be a water shortage as well.
So are you saying buy water stocks too, or what?
No, I'm saying stock up on your goods and foods, okay?
Honestly, I've been every time I go to the grocery store, I've been buying a little extra. Like every time, I've been buying extra. Like if
Yeah, like
I
instant soup or like canned goods or something. Extra case of water.
hold up, is some music coming in? I don't know if that's on the stream or what is that? You hear that? Oh, it's this freaking video. I don't want to get demonetized.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I've been going every time I go to the grocery store. Like, if normally I get like one box of cereal, I'll get two, right? And then if next time I don't really need cereal, I'll still get one. And just kind of like,
Yeah.
I'm not being like real like greedy with everything, but just like,
The news came out earlier saying that inflation on your goods at the store have gone up like 5 or 6%. Don't
mhm.
believe them. That is bullshit. It's gone up way more than that. Come
Oh
on
yeah,
now.
no, yeah. How much percent did it say?
They're saying it's only gone up 5 or 6%.
Nah, that's a lie. So I usually get like these $5 frozen pizzas, right? And they were $5.50 now. So if you do 50 cents divided by 5, that's actually 10%, right? So I mean, that's not even close to true. And honestly, yeah, everything's gone up like 15 to 20% inflation and stuff. Ellis wants to know about ARK, SOFI, and wheat. But I think we've kind of talked a little bit about wheat. I think, what are you thinking? As far as like I was saying, probably Monday will probably be up close to
Bullish in the
12.
long term. Very bullish in the long term.
Yeah,
Setbacks and pullbacks are possible, but bullish.
yeah. Honestly, I think we probably open up around the $12 like 12.30, probably get up to 12.50. But I don't think this is the time to actually buy. Like, this is kind of the stuff that I was talking about a while ago. Like, you should have been buying wheat, like when it wasn't a thing, right? So, obviously my timing was wrong. I was following Josh, and I was a little more degen, so I was getting like closer expiration calls. But I wish I would have got like July stuff, because I think that would have paid out really good. But yeah, I think tomorrow, since with like just with that press release and everything, like fears about food supply concerns, like this will probably open up around 12.
I would say if there are other nations that join India, then we'll see things
Isn't
can change.
India on the Russia side too, right? Aren't they? I mean, it's not, it's all planned out, I think. It's not like they're just like doing this by themselves. It's all,
Yeah,
they all
shit
got,
people need to plan for, guys. Everybody plan it, please.
yeah. So the only thing I have planned for I mean, we can definitely talk all kinds of stocks. The only thing is I gotta find a stock for one of the SNLs tonight. So if you guys can help me find something that's interesting to you guys, and we can find the flow, we can look at that. But yeah, we can look at any stocks you guys want. You want to look at ARK? We'll kind of shift away from wheat, I guess, because I think it's pretty common that it's a commodity that's important right now. What do you think about ARK, Trippy? I don't know if you want to cover ARK. It's the baggy wood. That's the inner car.
Oh, we broke out of our resistance, huh?
Which one?
The purple one?
This one here? No, we haven't broke out. That's the monthly level. I can't believe it's at $43, honestly. I mean, it just outperformed, so like it went so fast, so rapidly. Like a lot of people like think this wasn't gonna come down. I don't know. Especially when it was buying like Zoom and what's the other ones that she's like loading up? T-Doc, like T-Doc took a dump. Just a whole bunch of really overvalued companies. T-Doc is actually a better company at this price range, right? $33. Yeah. Let me go back to ARK though. What would be some levels that you would be watching? Are you bullish on ARK LS? Let's get some input from you guys too. And are you guys do you guys still respect Kathy, or do you guys?
Grown a lot. Okay, well here's the thing. What time period did ARK go by? That was when the stock market was really bullish and there was hella money going into the market.
It went live like after 2020. It started like really ripping.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you do your little puff or no? I'm trying to get I'm trying to get some high DD. I think that's good.
I got you.
What is that at 50, 52 is where it's kind of bounced off and resisted there. Had some resistance there. Yo, I'm still trying to catch up from what Mojo did, man. Honestly, he usually has his tempers and stuff. I'm gonna miss the dude though, but I can't blame it. I can't blame it all on me, dude. Like I was nice to that dude too, like on hella occasions. So
he's mad at me, not you. Well, actually, he was mad at you too. Actually,
bro, all I said was I was just trolling because Hillbiz is one of the short memes that he would be playing. I was just trolling on him, but that's not fair to say that. Oh, what was I saying? Like he be shitting on me all the time, so why can't I, throw something at him? It's like it's not. If you kind of break that barrier where you troll on somebody, then you should be able to like take it too, So I don't know. Inflow on ARK as it was dipping as 1.6 billion. Big flows buying the dip. So I want to look at Kathy Wood's top holdings. Let me see if I can find the actual page. Oh, here it is. You can go to Kathy Wood stocks. I can't remember who showed me this page, but you can go to Kathy Wood stocks and see her top 5 holdings. So Roku, see, like this is like stuff that she's been buying, and I don't understand. Like, let me zoom in for you guys so you can see. And Coinbase is her top 10 position, and they're like talking about bankruptcy or something. So Tesla definitely, and that's crazy. Like her only big position, and good position is the one that she starts like selling stuff out of. It's like, I don't know. Block, I like Block. That's probably one of my favorites on her. Like, this is one that I'm okay buying, honestly. Especially, like, at 73. Isn't it at 73-ish? But, LS is saying inflow on ARC as it was dipping. Let's look at, see if we can find the ARC, inflow here. So I've cleared all the filters because I usually filter out of, ETFs, but we can take a look at the flow. I really do have to find a ticker for us. Let's just get an idea if we can get. So these are all the ARC orders that are coming in. I'm gonna go to 25,000, see if we can get a better idea. Obviously we still have a lot, so might need to go bigger. And actually, let me just do 200K, because he was saying there's a big flow. I don't know. Does LS? Do you use the Unusual Whales platform? Like, do you follow this stuff? So these cross orders, like they told me not to do these because it's basically okay. So a cross order occurs when a broker executes match sell and buys for the same security. So like, let's say one broker buys 1,000, right? And then at the same time on a different broker, somebody is selling 1,000. So it's really like noise. It's not really like actually making a difference in direction. It's really like just canceling each other out is what a cross order is. So I always ignore these. I had to learn that kind of the hard way because I was looking at some cross orders and one of the guys kind of woke me up to that. So something to note there. See, so like this, even though it's a 1.6 million order, like it would look like, you know, they're buying 1,500 and then they're selling 1,500. So just definitely pay attention to that there. I don't know if there's a lot of bullish order though. Obviously there's like 200. We can actually probably get here's what I'll do. I'll do the 200K whales, and then we'll just come down here and actually include ETFs. That way we can. Oh, it already has all the sectors in here. Does it? Emoji selected. Okay, 3 selected. Let's just clear this. That way we can see. Where is it? This one? Yeah, we'll just include everything. So, do you have anything to say about ARC though? Not really, huh?
No, not really, not really.
It's just it's a big mess, bro. Honestly, a lot of people used to respect her, and now she's like become a meme. But I don't know. What do you think, LS? Are you He said short float Canadian tech food growing company. What's the tick? Oh, AGR. I think he wanted me to look at that one. He said short though. I don't know if I would short something. I would probably just get puts. But I don't think this has contracts since it's a dollar. Probably doesn't have contracts. Yeah, this is the Canadian growth house. You actually want to short this one? It's already been in a downtrend. I don't know if I want to short it right now. It looks like it's trying to go back up to retest $2. I don't know though. LS, I think, yeah, I don't know about this one. Is this a penny stock? It says a strong buy, yeah. But the technicals are selling, so maybe it's getting rejected here.
Yo, does anybody know?
Small float. It's got a small float. That's why he's interested in this. What's up?
Does anyone in the chat, do you guys have a play for this week that you guys?
Yeah, we need to play. We need to play. And we could look at the earnings stuff. I meant small float. Small float. Yeah, it does have a small float. It's like 11 million, I think. Is there any plays on here, Ellis, that you think would be good for this week? Damn, we had what? We had C Limited, Home Depot, Walmart. I think these would be good. The Walmart and Home Depot would be good. But I have to look at the flow. We're just gonna spend some time. I might go in serious mode right now, just so we can take a look at some of the float on some of these, some of the flow. Let me reset this. And I guess, I don't know, do you guys use the Unusual Whales? You haven't started using it yet, that Trippy, right?
No, but I will. With your code.
You will. For sure, for sure. Bro, it wasn't even that serious. Like, he started getting mad about the affiliate link. I'm like, you don't have to use it. Like, it's just like to if you wanted to save something. It's I don't know, bro. Let's see, Home Depot, Walmart. Sorry, I'm still steaming about that because he made it look like I'm the bad guy, but honestly, he didn't. It's just I'm not gonna talk
It
about it.
was it
Honestly,
was funny because he got mad when I asked him if he was still holding those shares.
which shares? No, I don't want to talk shit on him. I'm just saying like, I'm just upset that he only sees things his way now, right? So like, all the times he has his angerman tantrum and stuff, like I would like have a lot to say, but I end up like deleting my message because I'm trying to keep it cordial with everybody, and just a lot of stuff that I've put up with, and I don't know, that's the stuff that's actually a little irritating to me right now. So, but it is what it is, dude. I ain't gonna worry about it. Like, I'm gonna keep like pushing and doing stuff that I need to do to succeed in life. And I was trying to like be there, and it's just irritating. He's gonna take it out on me by blocking me and something and doing all that. Like, all right, whatever. Like, dude, like, yeah, I'm not gonna say nothing no more. So, what's the flow on Walmart though? What are you thinking? Let me just get some water to cool myself off.
Bullish, bullish on Walmart.
Bullish, but isn't it bearish right here?
Like I feel like Walmart is gonna be the only company that can survive anything.
Yeah, and I think they were like, I think on one of the earnings call or something, or somebody told me that they actually like ordered a whole bunch of stuff ahead. So they're actually like, they bought a whole bunch of stuff under like before supply chain issues were a thing, and before like, just like supply and demand was like inflation and all that, before it's all started like actually becoming a topic. Like they were actually thinking ahead 2 or 3 years out. So that'd be something interesting to actually note. And actually, the call average for 30 days is 50K versus 30 to the put side. But let's just look at my computer's slowing down again. Is it slowing down on you guys or no? It was this week for 13, so there's more bearish side, honestly, for Walmart. Let's look at the price. Where's that real quick? I think what the play would probably see how Walmart performs, and then based off of that, then you would play Target. But I guess you could be bearish on Walmart. I don't know. I would be bearish, but I don't think the move is expected to be big for Walmart. Let me just look. What's the anticipated earnings? We're going to shift here real quick and see what the implied move is for it. And we'll just go to unusual whales, and the implied move is 3.8 from 148. So what I would do is just do the multiplication. Are you still following me or not, Trippy? 148 times 0.962. That's what it would be. So like $42. So $6. That's to the downside. And we go to have 148 times 1.038. That would be to the upside. So about 153. About $5 both sides, either way. About $5 or $6. So that would be down to 42, which would be kind of to the support levels down here, like right here. About 41, 60. Yeah, kind of around this level. You can see it's got supports around here, resistance. So like this point here, it's kind of like a point of support. That's where the implied move is. So just a few different points where it's kind of came plenty of times. The 53 would be, we're at 53-ish, like I guess somewhere around here. I would be more interested in getting this to the downside. But let me look at the IV crush also. I'm going to close a few tabs because we don't need all these. Yeah, so we talked about India, flows, and what else? We need to go to Market Chameleon. So the only thing that's been lacking is actually the IV.
I would say energy. I'm very bearish on the energy stocks.
You are? Why is that?
Yep.
I just...
Because of the DD I told you earlier, remember?
Which one?
the U.S. power grid system in America is failing.
Wasn't I saw an article for Tesla about them using their cars to help Texas, I think. Is that right? I don't know if you saw something like that.
Yeah. Wait.
Did you see that?
What?
I don't know. I think Tesla was using their cars to power the grid on Texas, I think. Let me see if I can find the article real quick.
Yeah, because okay, so we have big in America. We have big four power grid sectors. One of them that happens to be, I believe, one of, if not the biggest, is in Texas, and it was affected by what? The
Heat
weather
wave.
storm.
Yeah, heat wave. Is that what? See, I just pulled it up. I know I saw an article.
But when you know how when it was snowing in Texas and all that bullshit happened,
Yeah.
that damaged our power grid system that was not built for that type of weather.
Mm.
When Biden introduced his $1 trillion tax, or not his 1 trillion bill for the I forgot. I got a smoke. Hold up.
Gone. This is what I saw on well, it just came out yesterday. What was yesterday? Saturday. This is where I saw it. Tesla tries to help Texas electric grid amid the heat wave with in-car alert. I didn't really read into it. I don't know what this means. Let me just read through some of this just to while you take a puff. I still have to find a play. That's the only thing that's on my mind right now. I gotta find a play. So I think I might pick Target, and I would kind of base it off of Walmart. Would you be more inclined? Let me look at their earnings. I'm gonna look at the earnings and the flow real quick while you kind of take a look at the Tesla stuff that you're talking about. I'm gonna quickly look at Target's flow. Actually, let me quickly look at Walmart's flow just to get an idea. So most of the flow for next week was bearish, kind of into June, just kind of break even. They're selling stuff for like 2045, 145 on the bids on the ask side. So they're buying puts. It looks like a lot of people are buying puts for next week for Walmart. Let me see if I can pop this out too, actually. 1 second. That way I can see my Discord. Bro, I think you there, Trippy?
Yeah. I was just looking for the DD again, and Biden spent. He passed a $1 trillion infrastructure bill that he would promise that he would fix all of our power grids, our highways, our streets, our bridges, but they're all falling apart by design.
So what are you thinking then? What is Tesla doing for them?
Short on the energy stocks.
Like, but during the summertime, shouldn't energy stocks go up? That's what I'm thinking. That's what I was thinking.
No, there's going to be blackouts, bro, during the summer.
You think so, or are you just doing your meme, DD?
No, I believe it, bro. Because power grids, bro, they're gonna cause blackouts, bro.
Post the link in the Discord if you don't mind, just so I can pull it up.
But
yo, maybe now without Mojo, maybe we'll actually, because bro, I think a lot of people didn't talk in there either, because anytime like someone would talk and they said something that wasn't, you know, it would be some toxic conversations, you know. This is the US power falling apart. Let me see, when did this come out? I'm pulling it up right now. I just gotta find a play before, and I might just go with Target. I'm kind of stressed out about that play because maybe I should have said no on the TSNL thing. Oh, this is a video, bro. I can't watch a video right now. Come on, Trippy. I'll just watch it later then. Can't watch a video.
Or
right
you
now.
could play in the background. It's short.
Yeah, but then they'll demonetize me though. That's what I'm saying.
You can hear it just yourself.
Yeah, I'll watch it later, honestly.
But
So help me find a play for SNL because I don't know what I'm gonna share. I had Uber. Let me just stick with what I know. Actually, let's just stick with what I know.
we could do Disney. Check out Disney.
Disney. Oh, post earnings. What are you thinking? They had good earnings actually, right?
Yeah, and on Friday, Disney announced that Doctor Strange made 550 million globally.
Friday after close or during market? Do you know?
Not sure. I think it was after close, maybe.
Did that oof. It says the bearish is premium, but it looks like it's the premium was going for next year, 2024. They're buying like 2-year leaps.
Hmm.
Let me check something real quick. Bro, I'm still like, even after this hour, I'm still trying to like wrap my head around that outrage that happened.
Yeah. I thought Mojo was trolling.
I thought he was trolling too, but I don't know, man. I'll probably end up taking this stream down because it was just controversy, bro. I don't like that on my channel, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your homies? Did all your viewers leave? All your people leave?
Yeah, they got scared of the fight.
You think so? Damn, they said drama.
Mm-hmm.
Is it from that other Discord you invited me to?
Yeah.
Let me quickly look what Luna's doing real quick, cause I got suckered into buying it too.
Bearish?
23. Huh?
Bro, Mojo
23.
just wanted to leave to save himself the embarrassment of Luna failing.
You think so? Nah. It's all good. He'll probably unsubscribe to my channel too, man.
What up, what up, what up?
What up? What up with what? We have what did you want to cover next? I mean Target, but I don't know how good of a play that I'm honestly probably wait for Walmart's earnings before I enter Target. I'm gonna quickly look up at the flow for it though. Target, I think the flow for Walmart was bearish,
I
but
feel like this week could be a good week for meme stocks, by the way.
why?
I feel like, well, let's look at the ANC short interest real quick. It's the highest it's always been ever, ever, ever.
I like the call volume on Target real quick too though. Let me quickly go through it. Oh, actually, never mind. For this week, there was a lot of put activity for going into next week. Let me see where it's trading. What does it look like? It looks like it broke maybe, well, I was gonna say it looked like it broke that trend, but because this looked like a trend here, but maybe this is the trend. What do you think? I haven't traded Target in so long.
Oh,
This is on the daily too though.
yes, sir.
I mean, it looks like I think it would be bullish, I think, in my opinion. It would want to come back up to 228 or no? Kind of around this level. See where we have all this the resistance here around this level. Looks like it wants to come back up to what, 228, but 227. I think this might be bullish, I think. Although the flow on it was bearish for some reason. It could be that they're closing puts though. Has it been on a downtrend? Kind of has been on a downtrend. Let me look at some of the activity for it before we go further into that.
Yeah.
So I just have to find the play and then we can troll around with any plays you want. We can look at AMC after. I just need to find. Oh look, it's bearish. The premium's bearish on it. So 200. It looks like these were just puts for 210 that were for June. It had a lot of volume or open interest. The volume increased, but it already had a lot of open interest. See if we can find the more active chains, and then we can break those down.
Hold on, brother.
All right. So honestly, there's like two different plays. You can play for me, I think you can play Walmart, or you can play Target based off of Walmart, and then you can play Lowe's based off of Home Depot. But let me look at what the historic earnings beat is for Target. The Target is bearish flow for some reason, but that doesn't really mean that it's bearish. Let's look at expand these spreads that they did. Possible related trades. So they got 354 premiums. So it looks like they might have opened these still. Since it wasn't like a large order. Let me cut this down to 100,000. Let's see. I just want to see, let me look at the earnings historically for, what is it, March, first quarter? It's for the May 18th. This is for April. So let me look at historically how they do on Q1 earnings. We'll go to, is it this one? Yeah. So they usually, well, at least they beat last quarter. This is for April. Let me zoom into that area real quick. This is their earnings here. They weren't really selling off. They were kind of going downwards, or they were kind of going sideways. And they did, what kind of percentage moves did they do after? So opened up in the morning. Let me make sure this is in the morning. Yeah, it's in the morning. So they actually closed down here at 206, and they went up to 218, so about 6%. So their Q1 earnings look like historically are good. And let me just look at some of the other earnings. Do they normally beat? They seem to always be beating. Yeah, they always beat. And let me see the price movement for this. They do kind of go up actually also. So this is, well no, this one they gapped down. Is that right? Did they open in the morning? Yeah, they opened in the morning. They closed here, and then they opened down here for some reason. This one is, they seem to sell off regardless. Where's this one? They closed, and then, oh, they gapped up actually. This one, they gapped up. And the one that is here would be the last one they gapped up. What up? You back?
My bad, my phone died.
That's all good.
Yep, I'm back.
Bro, I'm still trying, I'm sorry, but I'm still in shock by Mojo, bro.
Damn, bro.
He's
Why?
gone, bro.
So?
Yeah, I mean, what are you thinking? He's gone, bro.
I think he'll come back.
No, I mean, it was just like the way it happened, you know? Like, if he wants to leave, that's fine. It's just the way he went about it, you know? That's what's like, just...
He just thought that you weren't giving him credit for the unusual.
Bro, I always, bro, how much flow, like, for example, how much flow did I give him? Like, every time he hits me up for it, like, bro, I don't mind helping him out. Like, this is like the type of stuff that I was talking about. Like, I would help him out. I would give him flow. Like, he would ask me and stuff. Like, bro, I for real try to be a good dude to him, and that's like the way he acts, you know? So, like, am I really the one to be blamed at? I mean, you can go through the Discord and stuff. I always try to help out, look out for the dude. Like, it's not my loss, because he was pretty an asshole to me, you know? And for the most part, I try to respond, like, good to him. Like, help him out, because, bro, I know his situation. Like, it's bad, you know? So, like, I was trying to look out for the dude, and he's gonna throw his tantrum, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Like, how many times he would ask me for flow, and I would just, like, I would hit him back with it, or help, or, like, just, you know, like, just be there and stuff. I'm looking at the Q earnings for Target right now. Cause I gotta find something for this dude. Let me see if he's already got a list posted, because I don't want to be the last one out. Shit. Let me find something. I really gotta grind now, because
What'd you say?
I said I gotta find a play for SNL before I actually go
Perfect.
further. Huh?
I am in a state where cannabis is for medical use, and I have a medical condition. I'm gonna load my vaporizer right now. Okay.
Yeah, if you need to do that. Bro, it's the unusual wells is harder to use than not. I might actually play lows. Let me just filter through some tickers really quick. Oh wait, that's not lows. What's lows tickers? I forgot. It's LW. Put an E on there.
I want Mojo back. I'm gonna get Mojo back by tonight.
How? What are you gonna do, bro? Don't. No, man. Dude. Honestly, he doesn't want to be in there. Yeah, don't make him be in here.
Nah, he was just a little steamed.
Yeah, he was
Steamed up.
steamed. I know he was steamed. Oh, look at flow for Foot Locker, bro. Foot Locker
I was
might be good.
very bullish because they have made a shit ton of money with
Foot Locker?
break Jordan shoes for re-releases and shit.
Foot Locker? That's what you're talking about? I'm interested in Foot Locker, so I might look at this one actually. It's gonna be a boomer play, but I might like it actually. Oh, it looks like it might be breaking out. Yeah. It gapped down. Yeah, whoa. Did they miss on earnings? No, they beat. I might be interested in Foot Locker. I don't want to lock this one in, but let's see. I mean, they're cheap right now, bro. I think Foot Locker might be good. Foot Locker 110%. Summertime, they should be selling good shoes in the summertime too, bro. Yeah, I might do Foot Locker. It partially got filled here, is what it looks like. Just gonna put the gap fill up here. It looks like it's trying to get back above these levels, or like right this level here, which is 28.28. Let's just throw a nice trend line there as well while we're at it. See if that'll work. Bro, things got steamy, bro, today. Let me look at the flow for Foot Locker, just to get an idea also. Should I put some music, Trippy? Oh wait, I can't put music on here. Go in here. This is the flow for Foot Locker. Let's look at some of the flow. Not really a lot of action, honestly. The flow was bullish, but there's like not a lot of people actually trading this. What the hell? Let me look at the implied move for it before we actually go further. So this is on unusual whales. We'll go to Foot Locker. Foot Locker expected to move 12% out of 29. Let's just play the upside for this one. I feel like that's a 12% times 1.12, so $33 about. 33. Let me look at this really quick. $33. What would be the change for this? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Hey, there's nothing you can do about that. Um, mm, mm, mm. I
Right,
was
we're back.
just yeah,
DD.
we're back. We're back. I was just gonna look at the full chain breakdown for it. Were you able to?
But
Oh, for next week, 1.5K volume for options. Let's look at where it's at though.
did you see how many calls finished out of the money for AMC? Over 60K.
Hmm. For real?
Yep.
I like this one right here too. One second. Let me. If I can find some good enough stuff on Foot Locker, I might just lock this one in as my trade. So 819, the 520s are bearish, honestly though. The 31 calls are bearish for this week. That's what it looks like here. Um, the 520s, these are more bullish, but there's a lot less open interest for these. The puts are bullish. Puts are bullish or semi-bullish. The only one that's concerning is this one here, and it's got 1200 open interest for next week. The only reason I'm kind of concerned about Foot Locker. Everything else looks good though. The 29 puts are bullish, so it could be these are bullish too for the most part. Kind of break even, honestly. These are bearish. So 23, that's a lot of open interest actually. Let's just click on this, see if we can get it.
I'm telling you, bro. Foot
What?
Locker made a shit ton of money because they started re-releasing a lot of Jordan shoes that didn't get released ever more than one time.
What was the time frame for that? Like this past?
It happened all throughout the beginning of 2022.
Oh,
Yeah. Is this the first time reporting earnings
this
for
would be
this
the
year?
first time, yeah.
Yeah, because that's all they were doing. They were just re-releasing Jordan shoes and they just made a shit ton of money. I would say that's a good call. GGG.
To the upside.
Yeah, to the upside. A 33 maybe? What about you?
33, yeah. You said Foot Locker did what? Foot Locker re-released Jordans? I'm gonna type that up so I can get some concrete.
Yeah.
Go to news. I mean, is this the Air 4 million releasing in full kit sizing? Is there like a good article on that I can use? Where to buy Jordans? They released, what's the actual word
I'm
for
not sure.
it?
See, they're just re-releasing shoes right there. You see it.
Re-releasing. Re-releasing. Let me just do that. Just ask any suffering shoes. And dude, they're actually making anime shoes now. Or from Naruto to Sonic. But wouldn't this stuff be more for Nike and not actually Foot Locker? Why does Foot Locker play a part in it?
Because they do pickups at their store for it.
For Nike?
Yeah.
But can't you just buy direct to consumer like on Nike's website?
Yeah, but you could also like people get on the Foot Locker app just like on the Nike app to claim shoes.
See, look, Nike moves away from Foot Locker and shift to direct to consumer. That's what I was showing you.
Yep.
Nike confirms UNC Air Jordans won't release. So I think the winning play is Nike though. I don't think Foot Locker is actually the one making money. Like they already lost Nike, I think. That's what it looks like.
Alright, let's look at Nike.
But Nike's not playing earnings this week. See, look, Foot Locker expects its amount of Nike product to decline meaningfully. Nike is Foot Locker's largest supplier. It might be why they actually went down. I hate to be wrong though.
Come on, man. YOLO.
YOLO. Let's just not do Foot Locker actually. How about we do something else?
AMC?
You say you didn't like Cisco. Why didn't you like Cisco? What's Cisco's ticker? I gotta find Cisco. Cisco, you say you have some DD on it.
Yep.
What is it? 49? Ooh, might be good to play it actually. Cisco, let's see if we can find some flow on Cisco.
Yeah, Cisco's been
Let
on the.
me say, yeah, I just posted that on the chat. Are you still watching the stream or nah? Cut it off?
Yeah.
No, because we just have one guy in here. That's you, I'm guessing.
Oh.
I was gonna pin that comment so people can comment some stuff. Bro, you know what? Another thing that, and sorry, I'm still rambling on about Mojo, but he was like, "Yo, we should do like the YouTube channel stuff," and I was like, "Man, I've been grinding on that channel like to get the subs that I have for like years, and you know, like he just wants me to like convert that to a group channel, like." Like I'm okay like making a group channel, but it like would make a new one, you know, like I wouldn't want to use. Oh, look at Cisco. This one's up. It's bullish. What do they do though?
They're a food business.
Food business?
They're a food distributor.
Food distributor.
Yeah.
Networking cloud? No, they're a networking hardware cloud security. Maybe you're talking about the other Cisco. Is there another Cisco? I'm gonna close some of these tabs out. We're not talking about Tesla anymore. Nike, we're closing that out. I'm gonna look at Cisco's metrics real quick. Let's see, 4 billion market cap, price of sales 17, so not a terrible valuation. And actually there's another page that I found. I don't think I have it on me, but they're bringing in 52 billion quarterly. License stock over KKR. Let me just look at their Cisco to the bullish side. Cisco systems on the daily. What's the high? The high is around 60. What up?
Are you on Wales?
Yeah, I'm on Wales. For 620, most kind of down the middle. Let me look at some of the order books for Cisco. 58%. I might buy this to the call side. Let me see if I can get some better orders though. Oh, this is not what I want actually. Let me cancel that and do the whale stuff real quick. I mean, it's still slightly more bullish, 58% premium. The only thing is that the flow is put side, so let me just see if they're closing these positions. No. I mean, they could, but they've been doubling up on them. Let me check my Discord really quick because I don't know if I need to respond to this guy yet. Okay, I'm going to go to a different one real quick. I should have been working on a I might just like Hood as a continuation.
For real?
What do you think? Continuation on Hood? Or nah? You don't like continuation on Robinhood?
Is there bullish news?
So that one guy bought a whole bunch of stake in it, like 7% stake.
Ooh, Adam Air?
No. What's his name? That crypto guy. Crypto guy. SBF. with the
The one-
FTX. Yeah, he bought a whole bunch. He bought like a whole bunch of shares. He bought like, oof, look at these orders, bro. Oh, this is from May 20 or April 26. Selling calls for 60. They're still open. It looks like these.
The guy
These are
who
old.
made 60 billion off Bitcoin.
Nah, the guy that opened up FTX. His name is SBF. Is that the same guy? I don't know if it's the same guy.
I thought you were talking about the Binance guy.
Nah, he's not on there.
That guy's a crooked shell.
Which one? The
The dude,
FTX one or the Binance guy?
bro, you know he's crooked as fuck.
Which one? The Binance guy or the FTX
The
guy? Huh? You broke up.
the FTX guy.
Really? Why is he?
Dude,
I
there's
know
so
he.
much. He's a crook.
Why?
He's just like Ken Griffin.
I know he was like talking to SEC about something. I don't know. I think he was, wasn't he? You know what that's about?
By the Miami Heat.
What Miami Heat?
Their stadium.
They did something or what?
Yeah.
What? What was it?
They were doing fraud in the crypto market.
For real?
Yeah. They were doing pump and dumps.
With FTX guy?
Yeah, the FTX guy was doing pump and dumps.
Wow, for real? There's not a lot of flow on this actually. I might just stick to my roots, man. Uber and Ford. I like them.
Why do you think Coinbase and FTX? I mean, why do you think Coinbase it failed? Because he's on the same boat as the FTX guy.
Yo, I'm gonna do Ford, man. I think I'm gonna do Ford. Ford.
Oh.
Let me look at Neo's. Yeah, Ford's bullish, I think. They buying a whole bunch of calls. What did I do on let me look at some of the recent tweets that I posted. Wasn't it
Ford.
Uber or was it I posted some recent tweets. Let me look really quick. 4060 Chewy. Okay, more bullish orders. Okay, I might do Chewy. I might do Chewy or Ford. It's just my computer's acting up right now. It's going so slow. Neo is kind of down the middle, so let me just go back to Ford. I'm not gonna do Neo right now. We can look at it in a bit. I just want to get my play for next week, and then we can look at the other ones. Ford's got 59% bullish premium, and the call to put premium is really down the middle. So that's good. The call volume 62%.
Breaking news.
What's
Breaking. Egypt considers issuing bonds in China's yuan. More countries moving away from the US dollar.
You got an article, bro? Can you post that really quick?
Yeah.
I can share it so I can read it. I'm gonna
Yeah.
check the Discord real quick. I might just do Ford, man. I think Ford's a simple play. Before I do Ford, actually, let me just double check Chewy and Uber because I'm already playing those. And well, look at Chewy, bro. Sheesh. There's so many tickers. I doubt one of these gets taken, but yeah, I might do Chewy actually. Did it close above? No, it didn't close above 820. 2850. I'm gonna tell my man I'm gonna do Chewy or Ford or Uber. Yeah, I just told FNS that I'm gonna do one of those three, so hopefully they don't get taken. hopefully those don't get taken. I like the flow on Chewy a lot. These size greater than open interest are good. They're pretty big orders. And then this buy to open, this is all on Friday. So looking at the flow going into Monday, I think just with the strong indexes, yeah, I might need to write some of this stuff down so I can explain it good tonight. Look at this open volume that came in on Friday. 1200, 2400. Most likely Uber. I'm sorry, Chewy's the one that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to close a few things down so I can actually not lag so much. Is it lagging on the stream, Trippy? Do you know?
No,
Like
no, not really.
my Windows. I'm building a new computer so I can start mining some crypto too. I don't know if I told you that.
No, bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Right now that it's cheap, it's the best time to start mining it. Let me look at. Yeah, so Chewy, I think if we look at Chewy, I think we really need to get above, what was it? Like 2850 is what I had marked out. Yeah, so these are some of the levels I have marked out. And once we get above 2850 strong indexes, then, you know, 30, 32 is pretty much easily in the books, I think. Yeah, I think 32 will be the resistance. You can actually date that back to like up these levels, right? So like up to about these levels. This is where I had like heavy consolidation here, right? And then we kind of try to break above it. I think that's going to be a strong resistance. So if anything, that's probably where I'll take the profit. But yeah, we really just need to break above 2850, and it did try to do that a few times. Let me look at it really quick. Yeah, so I mean, we did close above our weekly level, so that's good. We, you know, touched the monthly at 2860 or something. We really didn't get above it, but it's okay. If the indexes open up green, I don't know, what time do the futures open, you know? I can't believe I got into some beef with Mojo, bro. That's insane. Like, I was always looking out for the dude.
Yeah.
Am I right or am I lying though? You remember when they were doing the little canvas thing for Wall Street bets, and I was like, yeah, I'll help you out and stuff, and or hey, can you get some flow on this? Yeah, I got you. You know, like maybe sometimes I was late on some flow, but dude, I'm working. Like I'm not just like, you know. But I didn't mind helping. Look how slow my internet's going right now. Pretty crazy actually.
Yeah,
Egypt
lag.
considers big lag,
Big
right?
lag.
Big lag. That's why I kind of want to restart the stream, but I'm so late now. Egypt considers issuing bonds in China's yuan. Saudi Arabia might also price oil sales. What would that do to the oil?
It will make it more expensive.
You think so? And the Chinese currency?
Yeah.
Let's look at some of the comments in here. Oh no, these are just more replies, I think.
Dude,
The true stable coin right here. $1.50. It's still $1.50, bro. This is funny. Share that. That's where you can always get some food, bro. Kirkland is Costco, right? Or is that Sam's brand? Look, I don't know. I think Kirkland is Costco's brand. Dude, look how much lag I got right now. Shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to close some of this flow just to get an idea. Do you want to talk about some stuff? I'm gonna probably, yeah, I'll let you handle some flow if you want, or whatever you want to talk about. I got the 60. I really like Chewy actually. I haven't heard back from FNS, so
Yeah, but
I don't think they'll get taken. I like Chewy. I should probably lock that in actually and tell them that I'm gonna do Chewy. The
I would
flow
like
came in good.
to talk about how the U.S. Congress will be holding a meeting on May 17th
That's on
over
Tuesday? Yeah.
yes
Tuesday.
Tuesday, May 17th, They will be talking about and sharing what they know and what they've been keeping secret. UFOs. So be on the
UFOs?
yes. So be on the lookout for that.
Is there any tickers that we can look at for UFOs? Any tickers that any companies that work on UFOs right now?
No, but just be on the lookout for a light show in the summer.
A light show. Let me take a quick screenshot of this because I want to have my DD done also. Just gonna highlight some of the open stuff that I like for this. I have it ready. Active tickers. Let's just draw some stuff. So we don't really care about that. Bullish for 6-3. That's like 2 weeks out. These are kind of bullish, but they're like small open interest. Well, actually, huge volume came in. Let's just go ahead and highlight those. Big volume came in for those. These are all expired, really. So, and then we have these for 520 for this week for $30 calls. It could be that.
How the light show is going on crazy over in China.
What about it?
I'll just.
I'm gonna highlight these also. These are for 520, 617. 520, 617. We'll highlight these just to highlight the ones that actually matter. All the other ones are 513, so they're expired. So these were the most active chains for Friday. So out of these, we have these that are concerning. This one has a lot of activity, 7,000 open interest. But the open interest on most of these is bigger than the volume. So this could shift more bullish on Monday. We'll just have to watch that one. This one, 617 for 20. I don't know. That one's kind of in the air. We might need to look further into that one. And then this one's really down the middle. And then this one's a little bit more bullish, 28 for 28. 520s for 28. I'm gonna just move that, hold on to that later. Let's look at the flow levels, and actually we'll do a full chain breakdown really quick just to see where the volume actually is. So we have 6,000, about 6.6 thousand for next week. So these next 3 chains are gonna have the most volume. Then that first week of June doesn't really have any volume. So I would say that we could see some moves going into Chewy these next 3 weeks before, maybe some stagnant. What are you thinking, Trippy? 15-15, right down the middle.
Right on the head. Good DD.
I think so too. Good DD. Let me see where the.
Are you gonna change up now, or are you gonna stick with this one?
Well, I just want to get all the stuff done for it. Ooh, look at this. This is interesting. Yeah. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. I might need to zoom out so I can actually get everything in. I'm just gonna try to get like a full. Just gonna show you what I'm gonna highlight in today's meeting. Let me do it again. Which one do you want to talk about next? Because this is the one I'm going to cover, I think. I already have a position on it. I'm up on it, so I have wiggle room on it. The levels that I'm watching is that 28.50, and then we could see 30 will be a psychological resistance. But yeah, so this is just some of the most recent flow, and got the bullish premium here. Call for, what is this, for 513. I just want to make sure that some of this volume holds up on Monday, and this call volume is not like call volume that got closed on the 13th. Actually, this one doesn't even matter. I mean, you could, I'll leave it highlighted. Yeah, we'll just do that. We'll do that. And then the last thing I'll share with them is this. So 5-3. This is 6. Is this 6? I can't see. I'm freaking blind. 6:03, is that going to be on a Friday? Let me just check. It is on a Friday. Okay, so it looks like this is for 6:03. There's bullish for the beginning. Yeah, I'll go ahead and include this one too.
Okay,
All right,
okay.
I think I think I'm gonna go with Chewy. Let me tell him I'm doing Chewy really quick, and then we can. I'm gonna stick with Chewy. There we go. Hopefully I can get that locked in. Okay, so now that I got that out of the way, I'll probably need to spend some time to like actually collect all my thoughts on it, but I think I'm gonna do that one. I
Okay.
mean, it's pretty boring, but I like it because the flow was coming in. But what were you gonna share with us? You can share with whatever you wanted to share.
I sent it in the Discord.
Oh, you did? All right, let me pick it up really quick. I wish oh, is this China stuff? What is this? I'm gonna play it off screen before I share it, because I know how you be, bro. It's not like... What is that? Is that the UFO stuff? I'm gonna open it up. It says my stream is not receiving enough video. Oh, you know why? Bro, I'm gonna stop sharing on my Discord. Is that alright?
Mm-hmm.
Just so, I mean, we'll still be on the live. I'm just gonna stop sharing, so, cause I think my computer's running slow because of it, cause I'm sharing my screen and I'm streaming. Let me stop sharing. Alright. That should help. That should help the stream a lot better. What is this? It shouldn't be lagged. Oh shoot! Did you see the what was it? I closed it on accident. Let me open it again. Shoot. Alright, it's a Chinese tweet though.
Japanese.
Japanese. Oh, my bad. Alright, it's no voice or what? Let me see. No voice? No audio?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that the UFOs?
Mm-hmm.
What's the DD with this though?
Just the U.S. power grid is gonna go off this summer.
Alright. FNS said that Chewy's good. We're good, bro. What were you saying? My bad.
Hmm?
I got disconnected. What happened?
The power grid, the blackout. Everybody short the energy stocks. Okay.
What are some of your energy stocks that you want to watch?
The ones that are owned or the companies that have the power grids, I would like to short those.
Do you know those though? Do you know which ones those are?
No, haven't yet.
We can look them up if you want.
Sure.
Let me see if I can find some really quick. I know, what is this? Oh, the stock market is open again tomorrow. Okay. This is good, bro. This is a great tweet. What do you think? This is like anti-inflation. Like, it's not. I mean, I think it is, right? Still, you get the whole combo for still $1.30 or $1.50.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about the bonds though? What is this? This is some shares, old school style. And Twitter sharing some flow. Did you want to talk about Twitter? We can look at the last tweet from Unusual Wealth here.
Mm-hmm.
It looks bearish, honestly, doesn't it? 38% bullish, 40% bullish. The put to call ratio is 1.3. Call premium is 32 million. That looks bearish, man. Oh yeah, bearish on Twitter. Let me look at the flow for Twitter. Now that we're gonna talk about it. Twitter. Man, I can't be mad. I can't be tripping about Mojo, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's still in my mind, but I was helping that guy out, man, when I could, you know, where I could. What is this? It looks like
Yeah.
it's got more call premium, but it could be that they are selling those calls to people, you know. Let's see, like, it looks like they're selling a lot of calls for June 17th. So it's bearish or not. They could be getting just puts. They're buying on the ask. The most of the premium is bearish, and they're buying that premium on the ask side. Bro, go ahead and light it up.
I did. I'm so cooked.
You're cooked already? Is
Yeah,
that
I'm
why you're
very...
quiet?
No, I'm looking for DD right now.
On the breaking news stuff or what? Well, if you find any DD, you gotta post it, bro.
But
Most of it is honestly Twitter's flow is mostly down the middle and then kind of more bearish going into June. At least that's what's showing up for Friday. So it looks like, let me just see, 45, 54. This is, and then after that, it starts going 57, 59, 57, 55, 73. Like all of the July flow is on the bearish side. And it's really just straight up put volume. Look, so they have 9 million, and out of that 9 million, 7 of that is bearish. You say you were bullish on Twitter or bearish on it?
bullish.
Oh, I think what it is though, I think it'll probably just trade sideways, to be honest. I don't think he'll like, or actually, it could fill that gap. It actually already did. What happened to this? That's insane, bro. What happened to it? I'm kind of curious now. Twitter, stock. Let's just do that. Let's get an idea of why it took a big dump. Says 40 on hold over fake account data. Oh, look. Elon's Twitter goals have very low probability. This is from 2 hours ago. We want to look at stuff, I guess, from Friday. Let's just go to sort by date and we'll go past week. Halts for... Oh, look at this, bro. This is bearish. This is super bearish. Look. Musk halts 44 billion Twitter transaction temporarily. In pre-market trade, Twitter shares plunged more than 20%, although they recovered some ground after. Why Musk blocked himself on Twitter? What? Wow. So I missed this? I missed all of this? Temporarily while stock plummets. Temporarily on pause while he waits for evidence on the amount of fraudulent accounts. Wow. I didn't know this. In pre-market trade, shares plunged more than 20%. You know what's crazy? I bought some shares, and as soon as I bought them, they started going down, so I sold them. I sold them before this dump, though, so that's good. They recovered some ground. Was still committed to the acquisition. Oh, look at this. So Twitter, or Elon Musk actually agreed to buy it without actually doing the due diligence, bro. That's kind of bad on his part. This could make it more difficult for him to claim that Twitter deceived him. So he didn't know what was actually going on for Twitter. So it looks like Elon probably thought from this quote, Twitter held the transaction that the spam fake accounts is actually less than 5%. So he probably thought that actual account base people for bots and stuff like spam was like higher than 5%. You know what I'm saying? And you probably faded, bro. You're
No,
looking
I'm
for
just
you look for the DD.
yeah.
Looking for man, I should have made a video on this. This is bad though. And it actually filled the gap already. What happens after a gap fill? I'm gonna read what happens after a gap fill. Continuation, right? Oh, why did I put E on here? Let me take that out. Gap fill continuation. How to play the gap. What is gap continuation? Oh yeah, right here. We can just quickly look at this just to make sure. What happens after gap fills? Post fill buy. This is when a trader will follow the gap filling. Look, so when the gap is filled, they will buy or sell in the opposite direction when the price reaches any prior support. Wait, hold up. So when a trader will follow the gap filling, and when the gap is filled, they will buy or sell in the opposite direction when the price reaches any prior support or resistance of before the gap. Let me just take a look at that. This is an example. Here's what it looks like. No gap. Actually, this might be a better example. Where was it? I just saw it right here. Not that one. This one right here. So there was a gap fill. It gapped up, came down, filled it, and then it goes back in the same direction. The opposite direction. Let's see if that's pretty consistent with other things. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty consistent. So it gapped up, came down, filled that gap, and then it goes back up to that other direction. So just get one more example here. This is a gap fill rejection, it looks like. Is it? It tried to. Yeah, price rejecting from previous day low. So that's bearish. Yeah. It looks like it gapped down. It went back to try to fill that gap and it got rejected. Let's look at just some more examples. This is weird though. It gapped up, gapped down, and it didn't go back up though.
Yeah.
What does that mean then?
Means it's gonna go bearish.
Right, but why didn't it go up?
Maybe.
Yeah, see, this is the example I was thinking. Gaps up, comes back down and fills that gap, and then it goes up. That's the traditional gap fill. And this is another direction. See, this is the double gaps. Whatever. We're not gonna worry about that. Bro, I'm sure you're like baked right now.
No, I'm not. Why? I'm not that big.
Which DD did you find? I was trying to get. Go on.
Okay, I got one more DD, and that is.
This was a bust, bro. Honestly, that vibe was ruined, bro. The vibe was ruined from the beginning. Cause I was hyped. I think so.
Right.
I mean, low key, yeah, it got ruined, bro. Cause I was hyped. I was excited, and then he made like shit hella awkward.
Yeah.
Like he started trying to call everybody out on stream.
Baby food formula shortages. If
Oh,
anyone
yeah.
good, you need to, I guess, learn how to make baby formula or just stock up on it.
Is there baby formula stocks? Johnson and Jay, or is that a no? That's just like baby formula stocks. Look if we can find those. Where to buy baby formula? These retailers have stock. Oh, they thinking about the wrong stock, bro. Oh, Abbott stock
Oh yeah,
is one.
aviate stock. Yes, yes.
Abbott ticker symbol ABT stock is also one. Is what it says. ABT stock on watch as CDC completes baby formula probe. Abbott. I don't honestly know their ticker. Abbott Laboratories. Though don't actually they report, don't they? Oh no, I'm not sure if they report actually. Dude, this might be a play actually. It does look
Yeah.
like a Head and Shoulders right here though. No.
Yeah.
Each. Let me go back to that. Abbott's baby formula shortages mean for what it means for them. Let me look. Shortages of baby formula have been a major concern. This thing's not gonna let me read this article. ABT has not done well in 22. Have fallen 23%. Caused by supply chain shortages affecting consumers everywhere. Oh, dude, they had a recall on powder formulas in February. Whether the return of baby formula is enough to keep the rally going. Oh, so this is still early actually. Cause look, Abbott, they announced that they can start production in about 2 weeks, and started climbing about 3.5. So I guess it's being taken as good news. ABT could come back up to what, 113. This looks like a Head and Shoulders pattern to me, and it just broke down right here. You see this right here or no? Head or shoulder, head, and so I probably see more downside to be honest, because then it
Yeah.
also, huh?
Nice.
I think it's a
But
downside.
Doctor Strange 2 nears 700 million globally. So I know I was saying 500 million globally last time. Now it's 700 million globally.
Oh, for that would help AMC though, right?
You think so?
I mean, yeah, they're the one going to the movie theaters. Doctor
Yeah.
Strange, Doctor Strange, AMC. Let's do that and get the algorithm going. Racks up 42 million. Let's look at Doctor Strange. Most recent news. AMC revenue jumped in the first quarter, but skepticism remains. Did you watch this movie?
No, you?
No. It says it crossed 500 million globally.
I got the
You said
DD
it
for you.
passed that already? What up? What is that? Is that from
That's
SMDD?
for Amy, do the options, brother.
Yeah, let's look at the options. We'll look at the options for it real quick. Honestly, it is getting pretty interesting to start buying AMC shares or options, I think. I haven't looked at the chart. Let me look at some of the clout real quick. The true stable coin for real, bro. That is the
XRP.
true.
Oh, I am very on XRP, by the way.
You're what?
Very, very bullish on XRP.
Honestly, I stopped following that one. Let me look how my investment is doing on my Luna. Probably taking a dump, yeah. What were we looking at? Forgot. Do you think this has some room to go or what?
No.
This is AMC, bro.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I
I can't see it on the live yet.
Oh,
I see the boot right now.
the food?
I was looking at the. It was at the other baby formula stock ticker thing.
Oh, Abibot?
Yeah, now
Fuck,
I'm
I
on
can't see
AIM.
it.
Oh, damn, Amy, let's go.
Let's go, baby. AMC.
Pennant triangle.
Mm, which one from here? Like down this way? I'll show you. I guess the only bad thing is that the stream be lagging major. I mean, I guess I could go live stream. I can go live again. Fuck it. We'll sacrifice some frame rates. What do you think? You think it'd be worth it?
What do you mean? To restart the stream?
Now I'm gonna share I was gonna share it on here so you can check it out on Discord.
Oh yeah.
That way you stay in sync with my comments instead of having to wait for the live stream to catch up.
Yeah.
Let me know if you can see it though. You on there?
I see it.
All right, so we're caught up then, right? You said there's a pin-it formula for AMC?
Yeah, right there.
Where you're talking about this one though, right? Like
Yeah.
downward, sideways. This is a
think-
descending triangle.
Amy's about to go.
Back to 26? No.
It's either going
think-
back to
I think
dollars.
20 would be something more. Definitely has to get back above $13. What was that previous level that it was having trouble with? Was it this here? It was like $14, right? 13, about $14.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, shit. I was gonna say this could be the last move from this time, but it could take some time.
I was gonna say we're gonna not like move a lot in the upcoming week. Maybe we're just gonna be chill.
Yeah. And then do the massive run. When were you saying, like July is when did it happen last time? Wasn't it Memorial Day or something?
Yeah,
When was this? Let me look real quick.
After Memorial Day,
May.
which was
It was May, like close to May. May 26th. So that's like next week, ain't it? Gonna be the
Yeah.
one year anniversary of that. It'd be like Thursday. Don't we have holidays coming up? When's their holiday? Oh, it's like 2 weeks, ain't it?
Mhm.
Let me look. Labor Day or Memorial Day? Let me look. Holidays. 2022 holidays. We just had Mother's Day. Father's Day, when is that? Like this week? No, that's in June. I don't know when that is actually. 2022 holidays. Let's look that up real quick. I'm gonna share it on the. Alright, so we're in May. Mother's Day was last week. Memorial Day, the 30th. The 30th. It's gonna be on a Monday, bro. So I think, honestly, I might just get a few calls just for fun, bro, on Friday this week.
The
Wait,
flow's good too.
it would be next week. Huh? I can pull up the unusual wealth flow. Let me look at it.
We're looking good.
Yeah. The call volume is like 2 to 1. 245 to 130. Where is the premium here? Did it have a good week? Did AMC have a good week?
No.
Nah, it got shitted on actually. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, this is really the resistance that we're trying to get above 1312. That's kind of like back to these levels up here. Honestly, I could probably move this up a little higher. Like right there. Yeah. So we could do a bar here. Just do that here. Like that. Then we can kind of take off these lines. Then we don't need these here. So that looks better, right? So this is like the resistance range where we need to get above. Really like 14. Oh no. I guess 15 or 1450. And then Until then, I think would be bearish though, no? Our support levels down here. Like, I can't believe this actually came down to like, what was it? $9, $10? So, I guess I would just wait on this for now. But let's go back to the flow for get some of the premium. So 30,000 and more, 78% bullish. For the 200, like the big orders, it is bullish, but it looks like they're just either selling the puts or they're just closing puts, which would actually be pretty good. If they're closing the puts, that means that they're taking profits on the downside. Am I right?
Yes.
And that means that the trend, like the end of the trend, is there. And they could, I mean, it wouldn't necessarily say it's a bullish move, but it's showing the end of a trend, I think. Obviously, there's no like huge orders coming up. Most of the stuff people are buying looks to be for January 2023. Yeah. Yeah. But we can actually still look at the flow. Let's go back to this and see if we can find AMC flow here. And I'm gonna post the referral link if you guys want to use. I know nobody's in here, but maybe they'll want it. Actually, the flow's coming in already. 56% bullish for AMC.
Damn, see, I told you.
You smart, bro. That's what that plant be doing to you, bro. You be doing good with it.
Hell yeah.
Oh, Mojo unsubscribed from my channel too. Ain't that funny?
Really?
I don't know why he's mad, man. All I did was try to help the dude.
Damn.
My thing is lagging though. He'll probably go through and dislike all my videos, man. But like for him to block me, like that's honestly that's a little bit childish, ain't it?
Yeah.
Like all I tried to do was there's a Drake verse. He's like, when all I tried to do was help the guy or something. Kind of want to see, look up that lyric actually. You know what song I'm talking about? I think he was having beef with Pusha.
Yeah, I forgot actually.
Oh, Duddy, or what's the name of the song called? Here's Unusual Wells. I said US. I might just look that up, honestly. Drake lyrics. Pusha T freestyle. I think it's called Duppy, yeah. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Look, check it out. This is the lyric right here. Y'all acting like he made the boy when I was trying to help the guy. Damn. Oh, it was when they were telling him about the Ghost Riders. You remember that? It was like Drake be using Ghost Riders, and he was like, "Yeah, I use some Ghost Riders, but he was working at Kroger. I was just trying to help the guy." Damn. All right, so the flow for AMC. What are you seeing on here? A lot of bullish activity, right? The 1K open interest here, so it looks like the 12/15s for next week. They also got some activity for early July or June, I'm sorry, $13 calls. I think the biggest orders, I mean they're not huge orders, but the biggest one is this bearish one, 60K. And I guess 40K. But mostly all the orders are bullish. Let me just open up the 12/15 for this coming week. I don't know if look at this actually, 10,000 in order in volume. This one I'm gonna throw it on my list actually for Monday and just see how it holds up. They had what did I just say? I forgot. The 1250. Let's just highlight a good order. 1250. We have these.
The largest U.S. pension bought AMC, AMD, and blocked stock and sold Netflix. Don't forget,
Who did that?
the largest U.S. pension.
Which one is that?
You want me to send it to you?
Yeah. You don't have to, bro. Let me look at these July calls too, though, honestly. I'd be interested in getting a few AMC calls now that I got a little bit of bread. I can throw some at AMC for like at least what we say it's on the 30th, probably for June 3rd, which is these right here, actually, the 13s. These don't have that much open volume, but it was the 1250 that I think I saw a lot of big orders. That's the one that I'm gonna probably expand on, actually. 10,000 to just on Friday they had 10,000 volume, but the stock, did it move a lot? It did actually move a lot, 5%. Oh, it moved 5%, but the inflow for it was actually good still. Let's see if we can open this up. So to open it up, we just go to the volume tab. Bro, I swear my computer's going hella slow right now. I'm gonna check on YouTube real quick how slow my Twitch is going, or my stream is going. Look how slow it's going, bro. Like, I didn't know my internet was this bad. So I don't even, it might not even be me, it might just be, well, you think it's just, here's some of the flow that came in for it, y'all. Do you have any other stuff do you want to talk about? Oh, look at this. The calls.
The odds for today's NBA games, I have the Bucks beating Boston in 7, and then I have the Mavericks taking it.
Who? The Mavericks?
Yeah, they take it in the Suns' home in 7.
Who won that Grizzly game? I freaking knocked out.
I'm gonna be looking out for.
Are they going to game 7 or no?
They're both in game 7 today.
I mean, I gotta look. What's that, today? Not showing up, bro.
NBA?
Yeah. Game 7, where is it at? Game 5.
Just search up NBA.
Grizzlies, who they playing?
That
The
game's over,
Golden State?
That series is over.
That's what I'm saying. They didn't make it.
Boston Bucks and then Mavericks and Suns.
You said the Mavericks gonna take it all?
They're gonna take it in the Suns' home.
Oh shit. Largest US pensions bought AMC, AMD, and block stock. Let's look at that really quick. America pension, loaded up profile, meme stock, tech stocks. Honestly, I am interested in getting some AMC. I don't know about this week. I think the level I'm watching to get back in there would get back in above the 13.5 level. I think at this range right now, it could take time, right? Like it could sideways, kind of touch sideways. Like once it gets above it and then comes back and then continues going, that'd be more interesting in my opinion. But let me read some of that stuff you showed me. Oh, this is the numbers. Then this is the Twitter stuff. We're done with that Twitter stuff. This is the pension one. They bought 150. So that's not a lot of money though. That's like, let's just say $10 a share. What is it, like 1 million? 1.5 million? Times, let's say $11, about 1.7 million. When did this come out? May 15th, so today. So their filings were probably on Friday. Mm-mm. Oh, they have actually a bigger, so they added to their stake. So they have what? At this price, it would be what? 775 times 11. Let's just say about 11. About 8 million stake. They have an 8 million stake.
Why
So
they
they've
adding?
actually they've been adding for a while, bro. Since the what end of third quarter, they had 115. By the end of this quarter, they had with the first quarter they had like 3x their size. Yeah, or quadrupled in the fourth. So they oh no, in the fourth, yeah, they've been adding. They've been buying stuff like way higher. This what they say since Q3. So down at this price level. Like they've been adding stuff at 35. Is that true? It looks like they opened a position in Q3 of last year.
Yep.
At
After
the
they found.
so at the end of Q3 would be what, August? About August? No. September. It'd be September 2021. Down up around $35. And then they've added by December they had like 4x. December, I mean they're still getting above it. And then recently they started adding more. I guess the hard thing with AMC is just when to time it, you know?
Yeah, I feel you.
I mean, that's why you've been holding for a while. AMD is also seeing more growth. Last quarter showed gains, right? To end the quarter with 3.3 million shares. Block, I really like Block. Where's it trading at now? We can actually look. Oh, it's Square now, right? Still Square. Do you like the fintech companies? I know you got the meme DD, so you probably don't like banks and stuff, right?
Yeah.
You do or you don't?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? You do like it or you don't like it?
Dude.
Oh, you do like banks?
Yeah, I do.
Well, I thought the banks were gonna collapse.
Huh?
Thought the banks were gonna collapse.
They are.
So why would you buy? Why would you like banks if they're gonna collapse? Are they the
Because
one?
you know why?
Why?
Wait, like the bank stock?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the banks they can freaking buy their own stock.
What do you mean?
Like only banks can buy their own stock, and they're just gonna buy their own stock, and it's gonna go up.
I think this is a good time to buy Square, honestly. What do you think?
Yeah, you like how they bought Square, right?
Yeah. I mean, it could come down to 60, like 59, but I mean, it's already fallen so much, bro. So this is how it looks to me. Like it came down, came up, came down. I feel like retouch of like that $100 level. Because it never really got that retouch, did it? It never really got that retouch. It just, oops, just trying to scroll over. It never went back up to like retouch that. Or well, did it? Not really. Like it was like a huge sell-off, honestly. Like it broke through it, and it never had like that pullback. So I think it could come back up. What is it at? 84? Yeah, you smoking? Yeah. What are you doing? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, you talking shit about me to Mojo?
No.
I
I'm just
can't believe he for real like straight up got mad at me, bro. It's still like circling my mind, bro. I think if you don't have any more DD, bro, I'm gonna wrap it up because I gotta do some SNL stuff for.
Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I think we had a good show. I think we'll have a better show next time.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, no, I think it's just some of the vibe got ruined. Because I had stocks that I wanted to cover, like for earnings and stuff, but honestly, I don't even feel like doing it, to be honest. Like the vibe just like, it just got sucked out of my soul, bro. Because I was
Yeah,
hyped.
yeah, I feel
And,
you.
but
But
honestly,
next time, though.
yeah, honestly, some of these plays aren't even worth playing, to be honest. We got Foot
Did
Locker.
you use? Is that Mojo's profile picture?
Which one?
The one that you have
Where?
on your Discord?
Hell no. Dude, the stuff that I've done on my channel and stuff, like all the stuff I do on the Discord and stuff, I've worked on that. Like, he's made some suggestions about adding some bots and stuff, but like, I've added the stuff to like the channels. I've added the roles. I've done like all that stuff. Like, that's why like I've put a lot of work into everything that I do, and like I was like, dude, I didn't mind helping him. Like, it's just like, I don't know. I'm not trying to say he's ungrateful. It's just like he didn't need to like act the way he did. So that's why I don't feel bad on my end, because I've done everything I've done, but every time something doesn't look right for him, he would like straight up attack me, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I'm not, bro. Like, all I can do is try to help where I can and just be who I am. If he doesn't want to be like in the Discord, or if he doesn't like the way I do things or my personality, like, bro, I'm sorry, bro. Like, what am I gonna do? Change for somebody? You know, I can't do that. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, right? So, but no, I made, dude. Yeah, no, the picture I made it. Maybe I'm just steaming, but I made that picture. I didn't make it actually. I got it from freaking. It's just like from the opening. You know how the opening, the trailer, it has like slides and stuff. That's where I just screenshotted it and then I did some edits on it. But it's not my original. Plus, like, once I get like an actual logo and stuff, I'll probably like draw one up. It's kind of hard though, because everything's kind of licensed and stuff. Unless you can make one for me.
Yeah, we can talk about it.
Because don't you have the editing tools? I have some editing tools too, but
Yeah, I could make a cool looking design.
the last time though, I saw your design on the internet. I was like, you just ripped it off.
Dude,
I
I
had
made
it.
that shit.
Nah, I saw it on Google, bro.
No, dude.
I don't really
You
see
gotta show
anything.
me.
Huh?
Yeah, show me. I don't remember.
No, it's that long one where he was like just smoking. It was a 2D picture, and he was.
Oh yeah, I remember. That one took me forever. Sheesh.
Bro, what you mean? That one was like on Google. I think I saw it, but I think you just added the words. That's what I saw. You added the words to it.
No.
Applied materials is the one that I was thinking about. I thought this was Abby, whatever. There really isn't anything that. I mean, you don't even trade, to be honest. You just do the DD, but you don't really trade. Am I right?
Yeah.
You just be trolling, bro, because you know the molasses is coming, right?
Yeah. It's be chilling.
So the molasses comes. You think Sundial could be the start of the molasses?
I feel like when the blood moon, I forgot, there's a blood moon
Oh
lunar
yeah,
eclipse
yeah,
tonight.
yeah.
And
When
then
is that?
when that happens, it's all going down.
When is the blood moon?
Tonight.
For real? Nah, you lying.
No, it's tonight.
Where?
Like,
Cause you be
I
just
think
doing
at
crazy
12
stuff.
or 1 your time, maybe? Or 11, 12, I don't know.
You gonna be up for it or not?
Maybe, yeah, I'll be token up. I'm trying to get all the powers from the moon.
This one doesn't have any options. Hellbit still doesn't have any options. That's crazy. Do you think Sundial has any options? Let me look at Sundial because they got earnings tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Full chain breakdown. 8K for next week. Damn. 56,000. Where's the trading at? Do you follow Sundial or no? Is it at under
I
$1
don't
still?
follow Sundial. My friend is heavily invested, though.
Who is?
friend of mine.
Oh,
He has like 1,000 shares.
yeah, he's gonna be rich.
Yeah, he is. Lucky ass. It's okay. I got Amy.
You got Amy, bro. You don't gotta worry about anything. Okay,
Mhm.
I think I'm gonna wrap this up then. Bro, we weren't really productive, to be honest. I mean, we got some good hits with the commodities and stuff, but then we had that drama. I'm just gonna,
I had some good DD, no?
yeah, the week DD was good. What else was good? The Foot Locker stuff was high. I think it kind of woke me up to, maybe buying Foot Locker to the downside since they don't have Nike anymore. What else
Mhm.
did you say? Oh, the Twitter DD and
Twitter,
the grid stuff was good.
Amy DD.
I mean, we can chill on the live stream, bro. I'm just gonna wrap up the stream though. What you
Okay.
got anything to say to the stream before I wrap this whole up? Buy oil.
Prepare yourselves for the alien show happening this summer.
What
Stock
time
up
though?
on food, buy a power generator. I would say maybe in July or August, maybe.
You think so?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, well, y'all
So
heard
be
it here.
careful.
Hey, this is the guy that said Lucid was coming down to under 20, right? What was it, 10?
Yeah.
Yeah. So gotta listen to him sometimes. Sometimes he's got some good stuff to say. I
Remember
don't know if I
was
believe in aliens though.
Mojo was
Huh?
laughing at me. Mojo was laughing at me when I said that shit.
For real?
Yeah,
Damn. Does he have you blocked on Discord or no?
yeah, he does.
Still?
Mhm.
He be adding you though. He be sending messages at you though. So I don't think he's got you blocked no more. He's got me blocked now, I think. I haven't checked, but
Mhm.
alright, well let me wrap up the stream. We'll kind of chill in a little bit for a little bit.
Alright.
I'm gonna see y'all in the next stream. Hopefully the next one is better. This one just got all like the vibes got all fucked up. So what do you think? There's just some controversy, bro. We're gonna have to
Maybe.
edit this hoe. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that drama. It was pretty good actually. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next stream. Peace.